Hello, everyone. Many people think that to stay healthy, we must go to a gym or do one full of hour of exercise every day. But is that really necessary? In fact, many activities we already do in daily life can contribute to our physical activity. Walking, climbing stairs, housework, gardening, physical work at our job, walking to a shop, mosque, or nearby place. All these movements can be part of our daily physical activity. Even during prayer, the body moves through the standing, bowing, prostration, sitting, and rising. So, yes, prayer also includes physical movement. But remember one important point, not every movement is equal in intensity. So, the real question is, are we doing enough activity for good health? Let us see a very simple way to check. First, the talk test. When you walk, notice your breathing. If you are walking very slowly, you may be able to talk and even sing easily. But when you walk a little faster, you can still talk, but singing becomes difficult. That level of effort is usually considered moderate intensity activity. So think about your normal day. How much time do you spend walking, doing housework, climbing stairs, or doing other activities at this moderate level? Second, the 150-minute check. At the end of the week, ask yourself, did I complete at least about 150 minutes of moderate physical activity this week? For example, 30 minutes of brisk walking for 5 days equals 150 minutes per week. You do not always have to complete it in one long session. You can divide into smaller periods during the day. Your daily activities may also contribute, especially if they raise your breathing and heart rate enough to reach moderate intensity. How a very simple exercise routine. You do not need expensive equipment. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of brisk walking. You can walk outside or even inside of your home. Then try chair sit to stand. Sit on a stable chair. Stand up slowly. Then sit down again. Repeat according to your daily ability. Next, wall push up. Place your hands on a wall. Move your body slowly towards the wall and push back. Then try heel raises. Stand safely while holding a chair or wall. If needed, rise into your toes. Then slowly lower your heels. Finally, do a few gentle stretching movement. Even this can be a good beginning for better overall fitness. It is also useful to include simple muscle strengthening activities on at least 2 days each week. A simple daily activity check. Every evening, ask yourself three questions. Number one, how much did I move today? Number two, how much of that activity is strong enough to make me breathe a little faster? Number three, am I moving towards about 150 minutes of moderate activity this week? If the answer is yes, very good. If not, do not worry. Simply add another 10 minutes of brisk walking tomorrow, then increase gradually. Remember, exercise does not mean gym only. Walking, housework, climbing stairs, work-related movement, and many other daily activities can also contribute to your total physical activity. Prayer and worship also involve body movement. But when checking whether you are a meeting exercise target, look not only at how much you moved but also how long and how intensely you moved. If you are older, have been inactive for a long time, or have heart, lung, joint, or other significant health problems, it is to better to get medical advice before starting strenuous new exercise. So from today, make one simple decision: walk a little more, move a little more, check your weekly activity. Small movement done regularly can make a big difference. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel, share this.